So this is the video for Brody because he didn't believe that I own an emu. So I'm gonna go find Big Bird, my emu. And he's somewhere in this orchard. Where are you? Oh, I heard him. There he is. Come here, bird. His name's Big Bird. He's right there. Hold on. There we go. Let's see how close we can get before he runs off. Clear as day. Hold on, let me back up. Hey, bird. Oh, there he goes. Australian emu for you, Brody. They're not illegal, by the way. He was adopted out of El Dorado Animal Shelter. He was running around town. So, anyway. He's a male, about 6 foot tall. And he's not friendly. Hey, bird. Just taking a video. There's his feeder with a rat-type maintenance pellet in it for emus. And then his water troughs right there. And there he is eating out of his feeder. Yep, there he is. It's a little crooked because the horse ripped it off the tree. And then there's his bag of rat-type maintenance pellet. Doesn't get much better than that. That's about as much proof as I can get you, Brody. All right. Say bye, bird. He's like, nope, I'm gonna keep eating. Bye-bye.